Hi guys, welcome to the last day of science for this week. We're so glad you could join us. Today we're going to be talking about color. And I want you to take a second and think, what would the world be like without colors? I think that would be so weird, right? Well, there are some people who can't actually see color. For instance, my dad can't see all the colors that we get to see every single day. He's colorblind. And today, Miss Jane talked about the story where there was a blind man, right? So he couldn't see anything, let alone color. So we're going to be using our colors to make colors seem even brighter and cooler, and kind of imagine what it might look like to look through certain lenses with color. So today you are going to have these little plastic gels, and you will be holding them up to your eyes and looking at your piece of paper and trying to figure out the code and trying to figure out the image underneath, right? So you can also look with a flashlight behind it. That might help you. You can look up to a window and see the light shining through. That might also help you.
So inside your packet, you've got a piece of paper that's double-sided. There's some instructions for you to do on this side here. This is a secret message. You have to figure out how to make that secret message come out by using your colors and going across it like this until you can see the message. On the other side, we have a weird blurry picture. And it says two of your filters, two of these held up to your eyes will bring your angel in focus. My hint down here is it's in 3D. All right, so one thing that I noticed on my plastic colored gels here is that there is a thin sheet of plastic on here that helps protect it from getting scratches on it during shipping. So if you take those off, there's one on each side, it will make your gels much clearer to look through and not quite as milky.
All right, guys, spoiler alert coming up. So if you have not figured out the colors to see the angel, now is the time to pause your video and do that before I reveal the answer. You didn't pause the video, you're cheating. Make sure you pause the video. Okay, here we go. You ready? The colors are light blue or cerulean and red. If you got that, give yourself a pat on the back, give someone an air high five. Here is how you should see it. If you put these over your eyes and you make sure the blue is over your right eye and the red is over your left eye, you will be able to see that angel in 3D. If you thought that was cool, because it was, ask your parents to help find 3D images online, and you can see more 3D pictures just using your color gels.